I'm Dr. Bruce Vanderhoff, Director of the Ohio Department of Health. Since the authorization of a COVID-19 vaccine for those ages 5 to 11, school-aged children are now joining the ranks of so many adults who are well protected from COVID-19. Already in Ohio, more than 77,000 youth ages 5 to 11 have started the vaccination process. Statewide, this brings the total number of people ages 5 and older who've been vaccinated to more than 6.6 million. And more than 60% of Ohioans 5 and up have received at least one dose. However, the rise in cases and rising hospitalizations that we are again seeing tell us we still have more to do. Unfortunately, there remain many Ohioans who are eligible to receive a vaccine, but remain vulnerable to the virus because they haven't yet received their first dose of the COVID-19 vaccine. For those Ohioans who haven't yet chosen to be vaccinated, I urge you to talk to your doctor or pharmacist and get the facts about COVID-19 vaccines. Many people remain concerned about side effects. First, many experience little or nothing in terms of side effects. And for those who do, they tend to be mild and symptoms that last only a day or two. We know there's a lot of misinformation out there, but rest assured, these vaccines are safe and effective. The COVID-19 vaccines are under constant, rigorous, ongoing safety evaluation. And despite the fact that more than 195 million people have been fully vaccinated in the US, including more than 6.6 million Ohioans, these vaccines have maintained a remarkable safety record. Let's also remember that COVID-19 can itself be an unpredictable virus, causing one person to become profoundly ill or suffer lasting health effects, while barely affecting a friend or a family member. But none of us need to take chances with COVID-19 because our vaccines create a reliable, protective immune response, and they reliably protect us from severe illness, the kind of illness that can result in hospitalization or death. Vaccination remains especially important because the Delta variant appears to have gotten a second wind. Hospitalizations have significantly increased, and right now, 1 in 7 patients in our hospitals has COVID-19. Yesterday, there were more than 2,800 patients in our hospitals with COVID, and more than 800 of our fellow Ohioans fighting COVID in the ICU. In the last 21 days, hospitalizations have in fact increased by 23%, and ICU admissions have increased by 15%. These numbers are quite simply going in the wrong direction. COVID-19 cases, similarly, are trending in the wrong direction. Yesterday, more than 6,300 cases were reported from the previous 24 hours. That's the highest number we've seen since early October. More people are getting sick and more are being hospitalized. But getting really sick with COVID-19 is a risk we don't need to take because our vaccines are so good and are readily available across the state. So if you're still unvaccinated, do yourself and your loved ones a real favor. Get vaccinated now.